Hi, my name is Ali. I want to tell you a story about how I was once scared to speak English, just like you might be. But don't worry, this story has a happy ending. When I was a student, I liked English. I watched English movies, listened to English songs, and read small stories. But when someone said, Ali, can you speak in English? My heart started to beat so fast. I forgot all the words I knew. My hands felt cold. My voice became small like a whisper. I thought everyone would laugh at me. So I stayed quiet. Every time my teacher asked a question in class, I looked down. Inside my heart, I wanted to speak, but my mind said, "No, Ali, you will make mistakes." And so, I stayed silent. One day, our English teacher, Miss Emma, said something exciting. Next week, we will have an English speaking competition. Everyone in class started to talk happily. But I felt scared again. My friend Sarah looked at me and smiled. Ali, you should join. You're good at English. I shook my head quickly. No way, Sarah. I can't speak in front of people, Sarah laughed kindly. You can. You just think you can't. Her words touched my heart, but my fear was stronger. That night I sat on my bed and thought for a long time. I asked myself, why am I scared? What will happen if I make a mistake? Will the world end? The answer was no, so I decided to try. The next day, I told Miss Emma, "Ma'am, I want to join the competition." She smiled brightly. That's wonderful, Ali. I'm proud of you. For the next few days, I practiced every day. At first, I practiced alone in front of the mirror. I spoke slowly. Hello, everyone. My name is Ali, and today I will talk about my dream. Sometimes I forgot words, sometimes I said them wrong, but I didn't stop. Then, I practiced with my younger sister. She helped me with pronunciation. Sometimes she laughed, but in a sweet way. Ali, it's not research, it's research. We both laughed together. I began to feel a little confident. Finally, the competition day came. My hands were shaking. My heart said, "You can't do this." But then I remembered something Miss Emma told me. Ali, don't try to be perfect. Just try to be brave. I took a deep breath. When my name was called, I walked to the stage. I looked at the audience. So many faces. I felt nervous again, but I smiled. Hello, everyone, I said softly. My name is Ali, and today I will talk about my dream. My voice was a little shaky at first, but when I saw Miss Emma smiling, I relaxed. I continued to speak. I talked about my dream to travel the world and speak English with people everywhere. I made one or two mistakes, but no one laughed. People listened. When I finished, everyone clapped. After the competition, Sarah ran to me. Ali, you did it. I told you you could. Miss Emma came and said, Ali, you were amazing. You spoke with your heart. I smiled so big. That moment changed my life. I understood something very important. I was not scared of English. I was scared of what people might think, and that fear was only in my mind. From that day, I spoke English every day, even if I made mistakes. At the shop, I tried to talk to tourists. At home, I spoke English with my sister. Sometimes people corrected me, but I didn't feel bad anymore. I felt proud because I knew that every mistake was a small step toward improvement. One day, a new boy came to our school. He was shy and scared to speak English. He said, "Ali, I want to speak like you, but I'm scared." I smiled and told him I was scared too. But if you wait to be perfect, you will never start. Just begin, and you will get better. Now, my friend, if you are reading this and you are scared to speak English, listen to me carefully. Don't wait for the right time. Don't wait to be perfect. Start now. Speak with your heart. Even if you say one wrong word, it's okay. Because every time you speak, you grow stronger. Remember, people who laugh at your mistakes are behind you. People who cheer for you are beside you. And your dreams are waiting in front of you. Don't be scared to speak English. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to be brave. Mistakes are not your enemy. Silence is. So speak, smile, and learn, because your voice matters.